Worth Partnership Project is a flagship project of the European Commission under the COSME program of the European Union for the competitiveness of small and medium-sized enterprises. Considered a flagship program, Worth becomes the only European project where designers, SME manufacturers, and tech providers converge around the development of innovative and design-oriented project ideas that help them remain competitive through the incubation support provided. In the framework of the last year of Europe 2020 agenda, Worth is proud to present the results of the second round of 62 partnership projects committed to the development of a more smart, sustainable, and inclusive growth through design solutions. Within Worth, an ecosystem is created where designers and SMEs can work together in solutions covering the key challenges of the European Union. One of them being smart and high-performance materials. Through the Worth projects under this category, the visitor will be inspired on the way the materials and design converge around a key interface between the users and their environment through the smart features such as sensing, actuation, communication, power generation, and storage. With the advent of Industry 4.0, the smart wearables revolution, and the Internet of Things, the interest and concrete value-adding potential for such materials and products has grown tremendously. Applications where large surface areas or flexible covers are required or where lightweight, comfort, and soft touch are desirable are among the broad range of solutions. In addition to electronic or digital capabilities, engineered textiles can also smartly respond to temperature, moisture, photochromic, biochemical, or physical stimuli, offering interesting innovation potential such as functional interiors, sports, medical solutions, or clothing among others, resulting in rethinking social inclusion. Also, projects reflect how design contributes to the replacement by alternative materials with the way it is manufactured, assembled, used, maintained, and recycled.
Every woman knows the problem that you sometimes have to choose for comfortable clothing instead of an outspoken garment. This because you have a busy day ahead, or is not the right occasion. You also do not wear pronounced clothing every day because you're afraid that they will get dirty and that afterwards they have to get specially treated by the dry cleaners. With the OK collection, we want to change that restriction so that women can wear distinctive garments without being limited by comfort. Nice to meet you. My name is Maxara Sterk and I'm a designer. The collaboration with Enduo has therefore been an amazing opportunity to combine these two values. By offering durable, high-quality clothing with stain and sweat resistance that allow freedom of movement. This allows you to sweat or spill wine without affecting the original garment, but also being able to wear the garment more days in a row. For this collection, we developed an organic black cotton. To highlight the wearability and freedom of movement of the garment, I started to collaborate with choreographers and filmmakers.
Nelleke and me, we met at the Modefabriek in Amsterdam in 2018, and when we talked, during a workshop, we immediately found a common connection, which were socks. I was doing like fashionable women's socks at the time, and she already had her kids label. She told me about how her socks are telling little stories, how they are little characters. And I thought, oh, this would be really cool if you could scan the sock and then they would come to life via augmented reality technology or something like that.
And Stella said, how cool would it be to scan the sock and then it comes to life? And I said, definitely, and that the character tells you a story. And I remembered that my children were not very fond of reading. And to change that, I changed the names of the character in that story I was reading into the names of my children. And it was very funny because when I did that, my children paid more and longer attention. A moment we've all been waiting for, putting all the elements together. So we have the storylines, the 2D labels, the 3D worlds, the illustrations, and it all comes together in the very first version of the app, Walkie Talkies Telling Stories, an interactive reading app for children 5+.
I'm Sarah Taylor, one half of Sarah and Sarah Smart Textile Design based in the UK.
I'm Sarah Robertson, the other half of Sarah and Sarah Smart Textile Design.
I'm Jack Janssen and I work as a computer scientist at the CWI in Amsterdam.
I'm Stephen Pemberton and I work with Jack at the CWI, the Computer Science and Mathematics Research Institute in Amsterdam. Although we do a lot of pure and theoretical research at CWI, technology is of no use if it doesn't serve people. So the chance to work on this project was a great opportunity.
The idea for this project came out of a previous one, which was exploring the light-emitting cloth as dynamic backdrops for theatre and performance use. Sarah has seen Jack present his IOTSA board at the Royal College of Art, and given the potential to incorporate their Internet of Things technology and know-how, we were really keen to work with them and tackle the problem of being able to control the light within the cloth and within an existing theatre lighting setup.
The value of this partnership has brought about creative opportunities, new ways of working creatively with the technology to create visual effects through interaction, as well as finding creative solutions to adapt existing technology. The added value now means we have a lighting interface prototype system, which will open up exciting new opportunities for us as professionals. It's good practice to question what you do and find ways to communicate ideas, concepts and understanding. Using CWI's developed technology, we were able to think how this could be used creatively with our smart textiles.
So for us, collaboration is an integral part of how we work and who we are. And each collaboration brings with it new challenges, but also new opportunities for creative development and growth.